How are estate debts paid when assets are insufficient? Imagine you've just lost a loved one and are faced with settling their estate. You find out there isn't enough money or property to cover all their debts. What happens next? Let's walk through how estate debts are paid when assets fall short. First, the estate's executor or personal representative must gather and value all assets. This includes real estate, bank accounts, investments, and personal belongings. Knowing the total worth helps determine how much can be used to pay debts. Next, creditors need to be notified. They usually have a set time, often 3 to 6 months, to file claims against the estate. The executor reviews these claims to see which are valid and should be paid. If the estate has enough cash or liquid assets, debts are paid directly from those. But if there isn't enough cash, the executor must sell non-liquid assets like property or valuable items. This process is called liquidation and helps generate the funds needed. Once assets are converted into cash, debts are paid in a specific order of priority. First, the costs of administering the estate are covered. This includes executor fees, attorney fees, and court costs. Next, funeral and burial expenses are paid. Medical bills related to the last illness follow, then wages owed to employees for work done shortly before death. After that, any taxes owed by the decedent are settled. Secured debts, such as mortgages or liens on property, are paid next, following their legal priority. If there's still money left, unsecured debts like credit card bills, personal loans, and medical bills are paid. If the estate cannot cover all debts, the available funds are divided proportionally among creditors within each category. No lower priority debts are paid until higher priority debts are fully settled. Beneficiaries do not personally pay these debts. Instead, estate assets are used first. However, if a beneficiary co-signed a loan or is jointly liable, they might be responsible for that specific debt. When assets are insufficient to pay all debts, some beneficiaries may receive less than expected or nothing at all. This reduction is called abatement. It's an important reason to plan ahead with estate and elder law strategies. Planning can include specifying which assets to sell first or creating trusts to protect certain property. Knowing the rules about creditor claims and debt priorities helps make estate administration smoother and reduces surprises during probate.